Hi guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to the channel. So today's video is going to be my installment of the night out, going out makeup look. My go-to one I would go for if I didn't know what to wear on my face for a night out. It goes for any type of night out. It could be my date night with my husband, it could be a kind of casual dinner and drinks with the girls, or a group night out, or it could be for like going out for like a dancing night out. One of them ones. On them nights where I'm like having a certain look plan, say for instance like a certain type of lip colour, a certain extravagant eye look, I don't really want to put like loads and loads of effort in the makeup look, but I still want to like look put together and presentable and night out appropriate. That's what I would do. I love like a nice classic brown smoky eye, and sometimes I add different shimmers to it. Sometimes I leave it matte, sometimes I use like darker colours like blacks and greys. Sometimes I use a bit lighter colours and then go with a coloured lip, or sometimes just use the same look and do a coloured lip or a different type of lip. But normally if I don't have a certain look in mind, I will just go for a nude lip with a smoky eye. Just it all depends on the night, but I am just taking you through my typical night out look ready for my nights out. So I'll come in close to show you. So basically, I do have some shimmer on my eyes. It does look lighter than what it does in real life, and I don't really it has to go by as I'm filming this intro. I'm gonna crack up. But it is darker in real life than it is or was shown on the screen. Like it looks kind of subtle on the screen, I don't know why, but it is darker. It's like a darker smoky eye. I'll even have a look. It has been a while since I did this look, so I had to go to work straight after, and I was rushing out that door. I was stressed, but that's life. It does look darker in person than what it does on the camera, so bear that in mind. I did use, I tried it the first time in forever, this Jack Jossa Be Perfect palette, and it is amazing. I would definitely get this. You should get this, definitely. So I would definitely recommend it. But yes, so yes, a nice full glam put together makeup look. I hope you enjoy it, and if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. Starting out with my makeup obsessions, moving primer, taking a pea-sized amount and putting it all over my face, focusing on the pore area like T-zone, and then taking my Revolution Eye Bright corrector in light to medium, a wee small amount on my ring finger just to pat it into them under eye circles before I put my foundation. I find this really does help. And then my other primer, which was meant to put on before the corrector, but hey ho, it's the W7 Glow Primer, and also the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Pro Filter Foundation in 300 with my Mrs. Glam Beauty Sponge. And yeah, I'm showing you the pump and everything. I take 2 pumps for a night out. If I'm wearing that throughout the day, I take 1 pump depending on how much coverage I need that day, but 2 pumps definitely for a night out because I like to have that full coverage glow to myself. So yeah, I'm just making sure I apply it really well and evenly all over my face, just so my foundation looks nice and even and flawless. Taking my Olivia Hale Banana Concealer, just applying it underneath the eyes, on the eyelids to act as an eyeshadow base, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, forehead, side of the cheeks, just to make sure I have that flawless base, and also blend out with the same beauty sponge I used for the foundation. I love this concealer. It does give me a nice lifted look, which I like, and I'm applying a little bit more just underneath the under eyes to make sure I have that coverage there. So I'm taking my I Heart Revolution Chocolate Banana Powder with my wee blank canvas F40 brush just to set underneath my eyes and eyelids to make sure that concealer is set in place and it doesn't crease and budge. I love this wee powder, it's so affordable and so good. Using my new Fenty cream bronzer in Macchiato using my Primark double-ended contour brush just to apply that onto the cheekbones, the sides of the forehead, underneath the chin. I use a smaller side for my nose contouring, and yes, I do have a small nose, don't really need to necessarily contour, but I like to kind of have a nose on my face. I find if I don't contour, it does look like I don't have a nose there, which is a bit not what I'm looking for. So this contour is really nice, and yeah, I'm setting the rest of that in place with my powder that I use underneath the eyes with my bigger Elson's brush, just to make sure it's all set down nicely. My Maybelline 24-hour brow gel is basically a pomade in a gel form, which I love. It's in the shade black brown, and I know I do have ginger hair now, but I like I'm trying to say here, I do love a nice dark brow, especially for a night out. So yeah, this product is absolutely amazing. Taking my Jack Johnson palette by Be Perfect, the dark brown shade first, like the second darkest one in the palette, on my wee flat angled Elson's brush, just to kind of create that nice smoky base. And I'm just patting this on so don't disturb my foundation. And sometimes if I am doing a heavier eye look, I will just do my eyes first, but because I just wanted to do my face first in this video, I decided to do the eyes after I've done the base product. That's why I'm patting it in and blending it up slowly, or should I say building it up and blending it out, because I don't want to have any fallout, so that's the best way to avoid that. I'm taking the lighter brown shade with my wee Poundland crease brush. It's amazing. Definitely get this brush if you want it. I'm just taking that just to blend them colours together to create that smoky look. And I have kind of slightly angled my eye look to create more of that uplifted, slightly winged out eye look, which I do love for a night out. Taking the colours underneath my eyes too. I'm taking that nice champagne shimmer on with my finger just to pat it in the centre of my eyelid. I love doing a shimmer over top of a smoky eye, it just really makes it look nice. Taking my I'm not sure what this eyeliner is, I think it's like a Maybelline one, or it could be a NYX one, I'm not entirely sure, sorry. Just I use any black eyeliner on my lower lash line. No, it actually was the NYX one, sorry, I'm just being dumb. It wasn't my NYX liquid liner, and I'm just taking my wee random pencil eyeliner for underneath the eyes. I should be blonde, like, to have a dumb personality, but I'm just taking this random pair of eyelash colours to curl my lashes. Normally I do use false eyelashes on night out, but since I was going to work that day, I didn't want to put falsies on for the sake of it, so I am doing loads of mascara. I'm taking my I'm not sure the exact name of this, sorry, it's just a silver tube of Primark volume mascara. Just taking a decent coat on both lashes after I've curled them, and I'm making sure I really coat them lashes because I want them to be bold for this night out. Well, fake night out I'm going on to, because I went on to work after this, so yeah. Just applying it top and bottom. I'm taking my Doll Beauty dark bronzer, to the original one, with my wee, I think it's a Obsession brush, yeah it is, just to kind of contour my face. Yeah, I do I do know I do have some cream bronzer on, but I want to intensify it. I like a really nice dark bronze look for night out, and I am just going to take my wee Sweethearts highlighter by Heart Revolution, just using the wee domed unicorn brush, and I'm using a smaller brush to apply it as a brow bone highlight. Taking my Primark Heart blusher and a rosy shade with my unicorn blush brush, just applying it to my cheeks just to kind of create that rosy look. Taking my second mascara, which is the Primark Aqua Lash. I love this, it really does kind of make my lashes look really voluminous, and it helps like seal that other mascara into place so it lasts all night. So yeah. And I'm taking my Mrs. Glam Nude lip pencil just to overline and fill in my lips a little bit. I like to have an overlined look for night out, especially if I'm wearing a nude or a red or any colour. I'm taking my wee Latte warm brown nude colour, just a liquid lip cream. I'm putting it all over my lips and just kind of going over that lip liner with it just to create that nice nude out. I love this colour, and that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again for the next one. Stay gorgeous. God bless. Bye.